You think you know AI in banking. You think it's that friendly chatbot that greets you on your phone. At Undocumented AI, we make in-depth documentaries of all tech-related events. We go beyond the headlines to dissect the systems that define our world. You're wrong. That chatbot is just the skin. Behind the scenes, the skeleton of the global financial system is being replaced by an invisible architect. An architect that never sleeps, never doubts, and is now making the decisions that define your life. Consider subscribing to never miss an update from us. Now, back to the invisible architect. By 2025, 85% of banks have integrated AI into their core strategy. We're talking about a $1 trillion shift by 2030. It's not a pilot program anymore. It's the engine, and it's fighting a war you can't see. 91% of US banks now use AI to fight a speed of deception crisis. Last year, fraud losses hit $485 billion. Human analysts are too slow. AI now flags suspicious activity in milliseconds, detecting patterns in behavior you haven't even noticed yourself. Then there's your credit. The days of waiting weeks for a loan officer are over. AI is the new gatekeeper. AI can now process 95% of deals in 45 seconds. It doesn't just look at your salary. It looks at alternative data, your utility payments, your cash flow, even your behavioral patterns. It's more precise. But it's also a black box. Even the banks sometimes struggle to explain why the machine said no. The scale is staggering. By 2034, the AI banking market will exceed $379 billion. This isn't just a technical upgrade, it's a workforce displacement. The middle office is being hollowed out. Citigroup reports 54% of banking roles are at high risk of displacement. The human banker is vanishing. This isn't about convenience, it's about a total transfer of control to algorithms. The digital DNA of your money is being rewritten, and most people are still just talking to the chatbot. In the next few minutes, we're going deep into the engine room to see what's actually happening to your money. You think you're in control of your financial future? You're not. The machine is. The illusion is comfortable, the reality is clinical, and it's already here. AI is replacing your bank, and you don't even know it. Up next, the engine room. We reveal the systems that actually run your life, how AI makes decisions in milliseconds, and what happens when it gets it wrong. Don't blink, the transformation is faster than you think. The bank of the future isn't a place, it's a process. Stay tuned for the full investigation, how AI is replacing your bank. Part 1 final. Welcome to the engine room. This is where the decisions that run your financial life are actually made. Traditionally, verifying who you are, KYC, was a human bottleneck. It took days, sometimes weeks of manual document review. In 2025, that process is dead. AI-powered automation has reduced KYC timeframes by up to 90%. Verification now happens in seconds. Speed isn't a luxury, it's survival. 70% of financial institutions lose clients simply because their onboarding is too slow. Manual verification costs up to $260 per person. Automation slashes that cost by 80%. US banks are projected to save $23 billion through AI-powered compliance alone. It is the ultimate efficiency play. Then there is the credit decision. While you wait for a page to load, an AI has already judged your entire financial history. Modern lending platforms use stream processing to render decisions in under 10 milliseconds. Total judgment in a blink. 64% of consumers now demand instant payouts. In 2025, patience is a liability for banks. But the real war is in fraud detection. Human analysts used to review transactions in batches, hours or days after the event. AI detection rates now hit 94%, operating in absolute real time. It doesn't just spot fraud, it anticipates it. The threat is evolving. Agentic AI traffic, bots acting for humans, surged by over 7,000% this year. Only an AI can fight an AI. New regulations like the EU AI Act make manual compliance nearly impossible. The machine is no longer optional. A human analyst can process 10 applications a day. An AI system can handle millions of events simultaneously without breaking a sweat. We are moving to a decision architect model. One human now supervises 20 to 30 AI agents. The human banker is becoming a manager of machines. Productivity in AI-exposed banking sectors is growing nearly 5 times faster than the global average. The gap is widening. By late 2025, over 70% of financial institutions will be utilizing AI at scale. There is no going back. This isn't just software. It is the new foundation of global finance. It's fast, it's efficient, and it's cold. The engine room is fully automated. The invisible architect has taken the wheel. But who is wielding this power most effectively? Traditional giants or the new challengers? Next, we look at the neobank effect. How challenger banks built on AI are winning the war for your wallet. Traditional banks are retrofitting. Neobanks are native. The difference is billions. The revolution is global. Don't go anywhere. How AI is replacing your bank. The investigation continues. Part 2, complete. Traditional banks are retrofitting AI onto old systems. Neobanks are built on it. The difference is the difference between survival and extinction. A traditional bank spends up to $300 a year just to manage your account. A neobank like Revolut, less than $50. Legacy banks pay $250 just to acquire one customer. For neobanks, it's $15. This is why your bank has fees and they don't. Meet Arjun. He uses a legacy bank. He waits days for transfers, pays monthly maintenance fees, and deals with a system built on 40-year-old code. And meet Rohan. He's with a neobank. His fees are zero. His transfers are instant. His bank doesn't have a branch. It has an algorithm. The results are staggering. Revolut and Nubank have seen over 300% growth in 5 years. They are not just startups, they are the new giants. By 2025, Nubank has surpassed 98 million users. These platforms are scaling faster than any traditional institution in history. The secret is AI-native underwriting. While your old bank looks at 10 variables, neobanks look at over 100. They approve more people while reducing defaults by 75%. They don't need your monthly fees. AI makes them so efficient they can live off the small merchant fees from every swipe. It's a total inversion of the business model. But absolute efficiency comes with absolute risk. What happens when the machine gets it wrong? In the next segment, we investigate the black box problem, algorithmic bias, and the loss of human recourse. How AI is replacing your bank. The investigation deepens. Stay with us. Part 3, complete. The invisible architect has a dark side. It is called the black box problem. Complex models that even their creators can't fully explain. 90% of global trading is now driven by algorithms. We have tethered our economic stability to systems that are increasingly opaque. This near total dominance means systemic market stability is now tied to models that are increasingly difficult for human operators to peer into. AI was supposed to remove human bias. Instead, it is codifying it. This is high-tech discrimination hidden behind the math. Research shows female borrowers consistently receive lower credit scores than men with identical risk profiles. The machine is learning from our historic mistakes. It's called digital redlining. AI models identify postcodes as proxies for race, denying loans to entire communities without ever being told their ethnicity. A study on U.S. mortgages highlighted that black borrowers paid higher spreads, averaging 30 basis points more than white borrowers with matching profiles. Experimental use of large language models to evaluate loan data in 2025 revealed that generative models can absorb and amplify societal biases found in their training data. Then there is the cyber arms race. In 2025, hackers aren't just stealing passwords, they are poisoning the systems themselves. Criminals use deepfakes to clone executive voices and bypass biometric checks. In this world, identity is just another string of code to be hacked. Over 12% of financial firms experienced ransomware attacks in 2025. Supply chain attacks exploit vulnerabilities in a bank's third-party AI providers. Adversarial AI can poison a bank's training data, turning the institution's own decision engine into a weapon against itself. It is a new kind of invisible warfare. In response, banks are investing billions. Solution-type security is expected to capture nearly 60% of the AI market share this year. Regulators are finally forcing the black box open. The EU AI Act now classifies credit scoring as high risk, demanding absolute explainability. The stakes are high. Fines for non-compliance can reach 35 million euros or 7% of global annual turnover. The era of unchecked AI is over. In the US, the Treasury has released the Financial Services AI Risk Management Framework, adapting standards to ensure banks manage these black boxes. If a machine makes a life-changing decision about your future, the bank must be able to prove why. Human recourse is being written back into the code. But what can you actually do to protect yourself? In the final segment, we give you the practical takeaway for the AI era. How AI is replacing your bank, the toolkit for your future, coming up next. Part 4, complete. We have seen the illusion, the engine room, and the risks. Now we give you the tools to survive the transition. Picking a bank in the AI era is no longer about the interest rate. It's about data ethics. You need to ask your bank 3 critical questions. First, does the bank use your personal transaction data to train their models? Demand to know if your data is partitioned or shared with third-party providers. Second, how do they explain a decision? If you're denied credit, ask if they use deterministic fact-based AI that can trace the logic back to your records. Third, what human-in-the-loop safeguards are in place? By 2026, the law requires life-changing AI decisions to be auditable and overseen by humans. Your credit data is the fuel for these models, but 44% of reports already contain errors. In an AI world, these errors amplify instantly. Fight AI with AI. Use automated auditing tools to scan your reports for duplicates and outdated data. These platforms are the first line of defense. If you find an error, use AI to generate customized dispute letters citing specific legal codes. Send them to the credit bureau and the government trackers. The next 5 years will bring the biggest shift since the map became the GPS. We are moving toward autonomous finance, self-driving money. By 2030, AI agents will act as your financial concierge, automatically switching your utility providers or refinancing your mortgage the second rates drop. Credit cards will become dynamic, adjusting your limits and rewards in real time based on your behavioral patterns and immediate cash flow. The bank of 2030 will be an orchestra of autonomous agents with minimal human intervention. The traditional banker is becoming obsolete. This is a $56 billion market. It is efficient, it is inevitable, and it requires you to be more vigilant than ever. The machine hasn't just replaced the teller, it's replacing the logic of money itself. The question isn't if AI will run your bank, but how you will run with the AI. This has been a Hey Historically investigation. We hope you're better prepared for the invisible architecture of your future. Are you ready for the next level? In our next video, we investigate CBDCs versus tokenized assets. Which one gives you more control? Watch it now. Part 5, final. We have dissected the invisible architecture of your financial future. This is the final verdict. The friendly chatbot was just the skin. Behind it, a millisecond speed AI engine has already replaced the logic of traditional banking. Neobanks are winning with AI native efficiency, but it comes with a cost, a black box of algorithmic bias, and a new cyber arms race. By 2030, your money will be self-driving. To survive, you must fight AI with AI, auditing your data and demanding explainability. AI hasn't just come for your bank, it has already absorbed it. You are living in the aftermath of a silent revolution. If you want to stay ahead of these systems of control, subscribe to Undocumented AI for more in-depth case studies. We dissect the future, one investigation at a time. The investigation is complete, the future has begun. Stay tuned for our next dive into CBDCs and tokenization.